Hi everyone. Let's see few more set of question. The question goes by what is multi-AZ database and how can we achieve fault tolerance in the database? This is also one of the key concept of a multi-AZ. So this helps in making and achieving the fault tolerance and highly availability with the requirement. So this is very much important when we are working into the production level. And in case our primary database goes down and we need a standby database, then in that situation, we can opt for the multi-AZ database. Let's understand how it works. So it is used for achieving highly availability and fault tolerance. Maintain synchronous replication between the primary and the standby database. Let's consider it with the real-time situation when we are working in the team. So there is a field team and there is a standby team. The standby teams comes into the picture when field teams fails out or requires any support. So during that situation, if the field teams fails out, we get the standby to work for the field team. So that's the utilization. So if my primary database goes down in that situation, the standby database is going to come into the situation. This is my primary database. This is my standard database. So when it fails down only, then standby database is going to come into the picture. So provides automatic failover protection in case of a failure or maintenance event affecting the primary database. Recommended for application that require continuous availability and minimal downtime. So generally into the production level environment, we opt for the multi-AZ so that we can achieve the higher tolerance for the working. Ensures data consistency and minimal failover time by synchronously replicating changes to the standby instances. So everything is going to be replicated synchronously rather than async as per the read replicas. Moreover, in the multi-AZ deployment, as you can see, the router, if the primary standby is going to synchronously do the replication into the standby connection. If it is going to fail, this connection is going to move out and this is going to be your main connection. This is the utilization of multi-AZ deployment.